So to create a group product, go up to the top and once again, click on Add New Product. Then we'll scroll all the way down to our product data and click on the Simple Product drop down here and change it to Grouped Product. And then on the left-hand side, we'll go to Linked Products. And then we'll click on Grouped Products here. And for my grouped product, I want to sell my orange t-shirt and then my multicolored beanie that I just created. So I'll search for the orange tee and click that here. And then I'll look up multicolored beanie and I'll select that here. And below this here, you'll also notice another section called upsells. And this is totally separate. If you want to suggest other products to show up on the product page, like a you may also like section, then you can add those here. This is great for encouraging add-ons or alternative options, like a different style of beanie or a premium version of a product. Now let's scroll up to the top here and we'll want to give this group product a name that makes sense. Like for example, I could go with matching tee and beanie set. And then for our product image down here, we'll want to add in a product image that makes sense for the bundle. So I'll click on Set Product Image. I'll go to Upload Files in the top left and click on Select Files. And then I have this custom image here that combines both the orange tee and the gray beanie into a single photo. So I'll double click on that to upload. I'll give that a second to upload here. Then I'll go ahead and select it and go to the bottom right and click on Set Product Image. Now with that done, let's click on the blue Publish button to finish up this grouped product. Then once again, I'll go back to the left-hand side and click on All Products. And now we've created a simple product, a variable product, and a grouped product. And these are now all ready and available to be added to our store.